Imagine cruising down the highway in a vehicle that isn't just luxury, it's a moving palace. Welcome back to Car Quest Pro, the channel where we bring you the future of cars and motorhomes before anyone else. And today, buckle up, because what Mercedes Benz has just revealed for 2026 might change the way we think about road trips forever. At first glance, the 2026 Mercedes Benz Motorhome doesn't even look like a motorhome, it looks like a futuristic yacht on wheels. With its sleek aerodynamic curves, LED light accents that run across the body, and a panoramic windshield that feels like stepping into a spaceship, this machine screams elegance and innovation. Inside, it's even more mind-blowing. Imagine smart glass walls that shift from transparent to opaque with a touch, a lounge area that feels like a five-star hotel, and a fully digital cockpit designed with Mercedes' signature luxury DNA. Now here's where things get interesting, the heart of this beast. Underneath the hood, Mercedes has equipped it with a turbocharged V8 hybrid powertrain, delivering nearly 700 horsepower. Yes, a motorhome with 700 horses ready to roar. That means it can hit a top speed of nearly 155 miles per hour, something you'd never expect from a luxury RV of this size. And it's not just speed, the ride is smooth, thanks to adaptive suspension that automatically adjusts to the road, making every mile feel like gliding on air. Features include voice-controlled smart systems, AI-powered navigation, and even a self-parking function, so you never struggle at campsites or city stops. And here's the suspenseful part, its price. You'd expect a futuristic palace on wheels like this to cost in the millions, but Mercedes has hinted that it will start around $650,000, making it ultra-premium but not entirely out of reach for the elite. So the question is, would you spend supercar money for a motorhome that redefines freedom on the road? Because Mercedes just made sure the future of travel is nothing short of extraordinary. This is Car Quest Pro, and if you love futuristic cars and motorhomes, make sure you stay tuned, because what's coming next will blow your mind.